Hello everyone, it's the DeFi Bull here, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to Kinetic if you don't know them yet. Kinetic stands for Liquidity in Motion. I will just briefly introduce you to the platform and where you can find information, and in following videos I will break down on how it actually works, but please go through the information that I'll be providing. I'll be leaving links in the description of this introduction video, and it will be a separate playlist, so be so kind and follow my YouTube channel for updates. So tick the little bell and you get all the videos. So here we are on the homepage of kinetic.market. So we can see here Kinetic Liquidity in Motion. So first you supply, then you can stake, potentially you can borrow, and then it goes to work. That's basically the system. So if you go to the website, just go to all the information that they have on here. It's a lot to take in, but you have the time, hopefully. They also have some very well-known partners, of course, Rome Blockchain Labs, Hypernative, which is a security company. They work directly with Flare, and they also work with Scepter. So that's a great thing. They have one full page, and I'll leave the link in the description as well, with all the documentation there is to know about Kinetic. And finally, we're going to have a look at the dApp. So in follow-up videos, I will go over the dashboard. I'll explain the staking, supply and borrowing, the rewards, what kind of rewards are you getting, etc. How you can vote, how that makes a difference in your earnings potentially. So we'll go over all of those in follow-up videos. But I just want to make this introductory video on Kinetic, as this will be one of the playlists that I'll be adding to my YouTube channel. So please subscribe to my channel and tick the little bell so you get all the video updates. And I hope you'll enjoy the videos. Thank you so much for attending.